Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup LinkedIn Campaign Manager reports for planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Launch your preferred web browser. Navigate to LinkedIn and log into your account. Once logged in, access the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Select the account linked to the campaigns you want to backup. On the left sidebar, click on Reports. Choose Campaign Performance to view your campaign data. Customize your date range to include all relevant data. You can add specific filters if needed. Once you've set your filters, click on Export. Select the file format you want for the report. Wait for the export to process. Once completed, the report will download automatically. Check your Downloads folder to locate the report file. If you wish to backup multiple reports, repeat the export process. To organize your reports, create a dedicated folder on your computer. Name the folder descriptively, such as LinkedIn Campaign Reports. Move each downloaded report into this folder. For cloud backup, upload the folder to your preferred cloud service. Consider renaming your files for easier identification later. Regularly schedule time to backup your reports to stay organized. With these steps, your LinkedIn Campaign Manager reports will be securely backed up for future planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.